Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Music, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application and then navigate to storage right over here. And for me, you can see it right here under portable storage, I have my SD card. Now it's saying that it's corrupted. Typically you wouldn't see that. The reason for that is because this is a bootable drive right now. I am actually going to do setup right here. Format. So give me a brief moment. There we go. So when you have your card formatted correctly, which for the most part you should, then it will appear kind of like this. It might have a different name, doesn't really matter. So from here you can tap on the name of the card and then select format from the options. OK. And as you can see, this goes through a quick format and should be right about done. There we go. So click on done and that's it. The card is formatted and ready to be used. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.